As I was explaining, what I'm going to do is to download all the required packages, not install those packages in the PC online or the online PC, but once that I have downloaded all those packages, the idea is just to SCP those into the remote environment. Let me connect to the PC online. This is similar as in a remote environment when you connect with the SSH. So I'm now inside the new VM that just created. Let's update our catalog and install some packages. Okay, let's install some packages that we are going to need to download. All the Docker and Kubernetes required packages. And this last one, SSHFS, is a package that I need to install for my Windows environment to connect to the VMs that we have created in order to mount file system files or directories, because I'm not going to connect via SSH or SCP those commands from my local environment, then from the PC online to my Windows environment, then to my Windows, from my Windows to the offline machine. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to just mount the directories and automatically I'm going to simulate that I just transferred those files, but I'm mounting those directories from the online PC, taking those files to the offline PC. Okay, let me install those packages. If I check in this directory, there is nothing. So I'm going to mount the directory that I want inside the PC online. That's it. I'm still have nothing in here. Now I'm going to create the directory where I'm going to download the packages. If I go back to my master node and do the the directory, okay, now you see that I have this Docker directory that I created in the VM. So I'm just simulating that I'm transferring those files from one VM to another VM or to my Windows host. So okay, let's go back where we were before. To download the Docker packages, I need to update my the repository and download the keys that I need to download those packages. So let's do that. I'm going to create a directory here in my PC and then update or download the GPG. Okay, create directory and then download that. That's it. And setting up the Docker repository. That's it. And I'm going to update my catalog. Update. Yes. Let's start downloading the packages. So what I'm going to do is not installing the packages in this VM, but only download the files, the Debian files, and those files are then moved to the offline environment. So I'm going to download the Docker CLI, container IO, and compose. I'm going to show you quickly here in my Windows host that dear Docker, those packages are there. Okay, again, going back into the PC online virtual machine, let's start downloading the packages required for the Kubernetes environment. So the Kubernetes cluster. So let's install the repository and update the repository for Kubernetes. I'm going to do this quickly. So install the GPG for Kubernetes, update my list, and then update the catalog. Okay, after this, okay, that's completed. Let me create another directory where I'm going, just to have this a little more organized, I'm going to create a separate directory where I'm going to download all the Kubernetes packages. So with this command, I'm just creating the directory and changing to the directory that I just created. I was in the Docker and now I am in the Kube. So let's download those Kubernetes packages. I'm going to download the latest version. In this case, I'm just specifying explicitly what is the version that I want to download. But if you just without the version, it will download the latest one available. Or if you want to download another version like a 120, of course, you can just edit the command and then download the specific Kubernetes version. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please send me your comments, like the video, and subscribe to the channel.